All right, the last of our example of this type is we were given a model. So for the model, n of t is equal to b, again, our value we're looking for, b times 1 minus e raised to the negative 0.2 t power. We're given the value of n is, so that the function value is 2.795225 for whatever reason, whenever t is equal to 6. So the question is, what value of b will cause that monstrous number to occur when t is equal to 6? And so just like before, well, here we're going to find b. So we're not done until we find our value for b. So we're going to set up the condition which we're given and then back solve to find what causes that to occur. The condition is when we substitute t equals 6 into here, that expression is equal to this 2.79 yada yada yada. So we know that. So we have b times 1 minus e raised to the power negative 0.2 times 6. And that must equal this weird little number here, 2.795225. So what can we do? We're going to evaluate this expression. So b times 1 minus e raised to the negative 0.2 times 6. I can do that. That's negative 1.2 is equal to 2.795225. And see if we can compute that expression. I have e raised to the power negative 1.2, and then we want 1 minus that expression. So 1 minus that answer. So we have b times 0.6988 05. I'm not sure how many decimals we want to bother with. That's equal to our 2.795225. Our value for finding of b is divide both sides of this monstrous equation by this monstrous value and see what kind of monstrous result we get for b. So I'm not going to write it, but I'm going to take this expression, 2.79 yada, divide that by the 0.6988 yada yada. And so if I do the inverse of that number and then multiply that by 2.795225, goodness gracious, that gives me 4.0000. So for any degree of accuracy, we'll just say it's 4 point. So for our purposes, it suffices to say that's 4. What I actually got is 4.00002644. So for our purposes, it suffices to say that's 4. All right, so those are several examples of those problems, and for the exam, which you remember, the exam has been moved to a week from today, well, today when I'm recording this, so that will be the first Monday in May, which is, I believe, May the 1, 2, 3, don't make me swear to it, the 5th, the first Monday in May, whenever that is. That's when our exam will be, and there will be problems of this variety where I'll give you this expression and ask you to find the value for b.